Hello, I'm Alex Grusin. I'm the CEO of WiTricity. WiTricity really began here at MIT, founded by a group of physics professors who had invented a radical new way of moving electric power over a distance with no wires.
WiTricity is about wireless power transfer. We work on technology that's able to transfer power over distance through materials at power levels from milliwatts to kilowatts. It's based on the principle of magnetic induction, and we use resonance to increase the efficiency and the distance over which you can transfer that power. One good application for our technology is charging of electric vehicles. This is a use case where you have to get power from the ground up to the vehicle. When some people think about wireless charging, they think that it takes longer than it does to plug in, when in fact our technology is just as efficient as conductive chargers.
One of the big impediments to broad adoption of electric vehicles is just the frustration of these big bulky cables and having to plug in and having to remember to plug in every day. We're able to take this clumsy charging out of the equation. No user intervention at all. Just park your car and it charges. We see wireless power as being a key enabler of broad adoption of electric vehicles.
One key aspect for adoption is standardization. WiTricity has been involved in developing these standards for over 7 years now. Key point there is to have interoperability between systems that are made from one automaker and another so that the systems are efficient across all of those combinations.
We are working with virtually all of the global automakers to introduce wirelessly charged electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles over the course of the next 3 to 4 years. And whenever you're building a business around university research, you have to continue to advance that technology. And then there's sort of the business side, the customer side. Who are the target markets? What are their needs? What are their cost targets? How much power, how thin does it have to be? Real product aspect. You look for where the current state of the technology matches the market needs.
So we employ a very large engineering and R&D team here at WiTricity, consisting of electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, software engineers, application engineers who are working with our customers. Quality is critical in our design. Our equipment's being installed on vehicles. We have to make sure it's tested and it can withstand any condition that it might be exposed to. We spend a lot of time collaborating with our customers, the car makers, as well as those in their supply chain, the tier ones, to really understand what their requirements are. We build their requirements into our design, and then we'll actually go on site and work with them and integrate the product onto their vehicles. After we finish the design process, we then fabricate and build our equipment and then come to our lab where our design team spends a significant amount of time testing to make sure our designs are robust against a wide range of operating conditions. We always want to make sure that every design that we send out is reliable and really meets the requirements of the market.
I would like to show you the components of an electric vehicle wireless charging system. On the wall we have the electronics which are used to drive the system. They convert the energy from the wall to the 85 kilohertz, which is used to transfer the power. We have the ground assembly, which contains the resonator, which creates a magnetic field used to transfer energy. On the bottom of the vehicle, there is a similar resonator which captures that energy, shown here. The output of that resonator is connected to some electronics on the vehicle which convert that energy back to DC to be able to charge the battery. This system is designed to be able to operate at a variety of parking conditions and a variety of vehicle types.
So in this future of mobility, where you have electrified and autonomous and shared vehicles, you're fundamentally going to need wireless power. These autonomous vehicles have to charge themselves. There's no one to plug them in. So you'll see distributed wireless charging in the urban environment where any of those cars could just go pause, charge for a while, I call it power snacking, and then go about their way. It's a really exciting time for WiTricity.